And next logic gate is AND gate. And next we see the AND gate, NAND gate. NAND gate is the reverse operation of the AND gate. Okay, in AND gate, if two inputs are high, then output is high. Coming to the NAND gate, if two inputs are high, then output is the low. This is the reverse operation of the AND gate. First you see the logic symbol. Logic symbol for NAND gate. Okay, first you see the logic symbol for NAND gate. This is reverse operation of the AND gate. So you can invert the NAND gate. Okay, this is the Y output. Input is two inputs. Considering the input A and next input B, and output is Y. Okay, and also draw the logic diagram by using the basic gates. AND gate by using the NOT gate. Finally it written as this NAND gate. This bubble is occurs here. Okay, A, B are the inputs. This is the logic symbol for the NAND gate. Coming to the truth table. Truth table for NAND gate. Truth table for NAND gate. Inputs are 2 and output is 1, that is Y. Inputs are A and B. 2 inputs produces the 8 outputs. 4 outputs. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is NAND gate is the reverse operation of the AND gate. Okay, in AND gate 2 inputs are high, then output is high. Coming to the NAND gate, if 2 inputs are high, then output is low and remaining all are ones. Okay, this is the truth table for NAND gate. Okay, and next coming to the expression for NAND gate. Okay, here the expression is Y equal to, here the inputs are A and B, that is A and B. This is the reverse operation of the AND gate. So bar is there. This is the complement of the AND gate. Okay, finally therefore Y equal to A into B whole bar. This is the expression for NAND gate. And next see the pin diagram. Pin diagram for NAND gate. By using IC 7400, this is used for NAND gate. In this one also 14 pins are available. 7th pin is connected to the ground and 14th pin is connected to the power supply. 7 pins are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here 14th pin is connected to the VCC and 7th pin is connected to the ground. Okay, here first pin is and second pin is. These are the inputs. 1A, 1B and third pin is the output 1 by, and next fourth pin is 2A, 2B are the fifth pin, and sixth pin is the output, that is 2Y, and eighth pin is the output, that is 3Y, 10 and 9. These are the input pins, that is 3A, 3B. Okay, and next 12 and 13, these are the inputs, that is 4A and 4B, and 11th pin is the output, that is 4Y. By using IC 7400. Okay, this is a pin diagram for NAND gate. In NAND gate, 2 input, single output. Here we are using the 4 NAND gates. That is, third pin is the output, and sixth pin is the output, and next 8th pin is the output, and 11th pin is the output. Produces 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 NAND gates. And next see the IC 7400 for NAND gate. Okay, in NAND gate, here 14 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. By using IC 7400. Okay, in pin diagram 1 and 2 are the inputs, and this is this pin diagram for NAND gate. So we draw the NAND gate symbol, and this is the third pin is the output. Okay, and next 4 and 5 are the inputs. 4 and 5 are the inputs, and draw the logic symbol. This is NAND gate, and sixth pin is the output, and next seventh pin is the ground connection, and next 8th pin is the output, and 10 and 9 are the inputs to the NAND gate. Okay, and next 12 and 13 are the inputs to the NAND gate, and 11th pin is the output. Okay, and next 14th pin is the VCC, that is the power supply. This is the IC 7400 for NAND gate. Here 1 and 2 are the inputs, third pin is the output. 4 and 5 are the input, sixth pin is the output. This is overall about the NAND gate. First see the logic symbol, and next truth table, and next expression for NAND gate, and next pin diagram, and how to connect the by using the logic gates. This is the IC 7400 for NAND gate. Okay.